7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, so I know it's been a while since I did an update on the garden, but I'm going to take you outside. It's evening time so you guys can see what's going on in the garden. So focus. So right there I have some lettuce that I planted, and I planted these about 4 weeks ago, and they're doing really good. Got a bug on them, but they're doing really good. And everything in the garden is growing really well. I'm gonna just show you guys a whole view out here. And the ones that I planted in the fall, in the summer, they weren't meant to be planted, but for some reason they were selling them at the exchange. So we have these, and they're doing just fine. So now these are the bell peppers. I put them in buckets. These are the bell peppers that I had this summer. They were so pretty and they were still flourishing, so I decided to transfer them to buckets. And you can see that they still have some blooms that are coming up. And I have a couple little peppers right here that are starting to come in, and they have done really good doing the transplant. These are also, this is a eggplant bush that I replanted, and I have some more that are coming up. This one didn't do too well doing the transfer, so I'm going to go ahead and just take it off. And I'm just going to put it in the pot so it can re-fertilize back now. But then we have this one that I'm going to pull tomorrow morning. These are some more bell pepper plants. Now this one is yielding, still yielding bell peppers too. You can see like the little buds. I think I have a pepper on here somewhere. Or did I take it off? Yeah, I have one right there that is growing. So it did really good. This one over here, it didn't make the transplant, but I don't want to take it out because I don't want to disturb the other one. So we have some onions still. It's time for me to start pulling those up. As you guys can see, my basil has done really well. This is my regular basil. My purple basil is still growing. My cilantros and my parsley did not survive. I think that the basil just kind of like took over. So I did, so nothing's in this pot now but the basil. So I have my mint right here. I trimmed it down because it kind of died, but it started to come back. So I trimmed all of that down. You guys can see the aloe is going. These are Brussels sprouts over here in this corner. I'm going to transplant them into something. So let's turn it around. I'm going to be putting in a second bed soon. Or I'm going to try to find 2 more small pools to grow some more stuff. Because I really have been enjoying the garden. You guys can see it behind me. It's getting kind of dark out here. But I just really love my garden. I love gardening. I never thought that it would be something that I would really get into, but I definitely have been enjoying the process. It's so relaxing. When I take stuff into the house from the garden, I use it when I'm cooking. It just makes me feel really good. It just tastes better. I would recommend, if you have some land or something, you don't need very much, to just try it. And get your children involved with it, or your family members, because you guys will not, you guys will really enjoy it. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the garden, and to let you guys see that I have started gardening for the fall and the winter. And I guess that's it. That's the update on the garden.